I've fallen in love with Sense Organic Beauty styling products. To set my hair up for ultimate success when styling, I begin with Hair Love Prep Spray. We consider hair care a ceremony of self-care and self-love to bring a deeper connection and relationship to your hair. It's a mindful way to bring presence into your morning routine. We believe that hydration is the key to healthy hair and the only true way for hair to retain its natural resilience and shine. Hair Love Prep Spray is a priming spray that sets a solid foundation for styling. I love this product because it enhances the power of my Sense Organic Beauty styling products. It also adds body and fullness to my hair from roots to ends. Hair Love Prep Spray prepares my hair for any heat styling and environmental exposure. It also retains the shape of my style and helps it stay all day. This is all possible thanks to key ingredients like Baobab. Baobab repairs and provides care from thermal, UV, and environmental exposure. Vitamin B delivers oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles. It restores shine, improves strength, and plumps the hair shaft. Rice protein increases the hair's ability to bind moisture while increasing flexibility and tensile strength. Angelica root boosts circulation of the scalp and nourishes hair for regeneration of damaged hair cells. Amethyst crystal connects us to our crown chakra to create a truly deep and loving relationship with our hair. After I've cleansed and conditioned my hair, I spray Hair Love Prep Spray onto wet sections. I like to comb the product through with my fingertips from roots to ends for full coverage. You could also use a wide tooth comb. After my hair is prepped with Hair Love Prep Spray, I follow with my favorite Sense Organic Beauty styling products and begin my mindful, clean hair care routine. I love adding Hair Love Prep Spray to my routine, especially for a blowout. It plumps my roots and helps for a more flexible and manageable style. It's especially great if you have fine hair and are looking to add body and fullness. Plus, you can also use Hair Love Prep Spray for any style, whether it be straight, wavy, or curly. Using Hair Love Prep Spray before styling, my hair feels more ready than ever. I've fallen in love with Hair Love Prep Spray, and I know you will too.